niggas was burning the fuck out their Yeezys. You dumb as shit. They already got the money off you. Once you buy them, it's it. You're not hurting them. You're hurting yourself. Flip them hoe. What's good, YouTube? This your boy, the finesse guy, JD92, coming back at y'all with, as y'all can see, another unboxing. Alright, I know I ain't like crazy hype like I usually am, to where I'm like all that shit. It's just because what the fuck this is, bro. I'm not even 100% sure if I'm gonna put this video out. In all honesty, like, I'm not like 100% sure I'm gonna put this video out. So if you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't. Let's hit the thumbs up and the like button. Subscribe for me if you haven't already. Join the God Squad. Let's just y'all see when you'll understand. Alright, so this is the reason I said I don't know if I'm gonna put this out. Can y'all see what that is? Can y'all tell what box this is? Like, bruh, the thing is, before y'all click off this video, I bought these way before that shit happened. I bought these like 2, almost 3 weeks ago, and I don't remember when like the official story came out on what this brand did. But I didn't find out about it till like whenever Kim K was like, I don't know if I'm gonna continue working with them, like I want all the details type shit. Like, I didn't find out about it until her, because like I really don't be on socials like that. Like, I stay in my own little bubble. Like, I look at maybe like a few friends' stories, maybe some TikToks, but other than that, I don't really get on Twitter unless something really happening and I want to find out some information really quickly. And I don't be like watching the news and shit, like CNN. Like, it's a lot that I don't just pay attention to, and it's on me. But fuck, bro. So that's what I found out. I'm gonna open them. Fuck, it's so awkward. So this is what I end up getting, right? I end up getting these. So it smells like a candle. And I'm just looking to make sure they ain't too fucked up. Now it makes sense why the fucking price was so low. They a little scratch. I think I could get that out. Now it makes sense because they did what the fuck they did. I didn't know. I was like, damn, this is steel. Little do I know, I'm never gonna be able to wear these motherfuckers. So I mean, I got them for $230, right? And I should have knew something was off. When I bought them for that low. Like, I should have knew something was like wrong, and I should have Googled, but I wasn't really thinking. I was like, damn, I get a designer pair of Jones for $230. Like, that's the ultimate come up, right? Like, I'm finna, like, this is crazy. Like, damn, I really came up just now. Like, I'm hyped. Like, I've really been waiting on these motherfuckers until I found out what happened, and I was like, so this is the story. So I'm on GOAT. See these for $230. I'm looking through pictures. I don't really see nothing wrong with them, but I'm thinking like they really fucked up. And I was like, well, I mean, I don't restore shoes, but I can pretty much get them to the point to where I feel comfortable rocking them. So I was like, bet, $234. Go ahead and pull the trigger. Pull the trigger, buy them. I'm thinking like either something really wrong with him, like I said, or he just really need money. Whoever's selling this shoe really just needed some money. Just like with the fucking triple S's that I still haven't been able to wear. Fuck! This is like, those was damn near $400. This is damn near $300. That's like $700 down the fuck. I swear I see any execs, nigga. But let me calm down. So I'm waiting. They took forever to ship to go for them to authenticate. I find out during like the authentication process, and I'm like, fuck, I can't cancel these bitches. Like, they already here. Like, they just authenticated them when I found out. And I was like, man, what the fuck, bro? And so my head, I'm like, fuck. So I'm hitting Twitter. I found out what they did exactly, like everything. Cause like I said, I found out when Kim K tweeted she wouldn't, like, she didn't know if she was working with him anymore. Like, that's when I found out. In all honesty, I know some of y'all like, how the fuck are you that oblivious? Nigga, I don't spend all day on social media. I got a fucking life. So like, I'm just like, oh, what the fuck, bro? Like, shit. So, needless to say, I talked to Savage Beauty about it, and she was like, damn, like, I feel you. Because on one hand, it's like, in my head, I was like, bro, what the fuck? Like, I just spent all this money on these shoes. I'm hyped to get them. I really like this one. Like, they clean as hell. Minimal damage. Like, I could really put that shit on. I'm just glad I ain't put a fucking fit together. I really would have been tight. Then on the other hand, like, I know niggas gonna judge me if they see me walking down the street with these bitches on. I already know it. Like, I know it. And it's like, I don't stand for the shit. I just bought these bitches with my money, and I want to get my money's worth, nigga. Like, I know niggas is on Twitter like, oh, nigga, you that broke to where you can't, like, just wear the shits? Or you that broke to where you spent that much money and you can't just have it to throw away? No, nigga, I am that broke. What the fuck? I'm sorry. I don't scam niggas for a living. I actually gotta fucking work and pay bills. And when I do got the extra money to buy some quote-unquote nice shit that I think is nice, these niggas fuck it all up. So yes, I'm mad. Yes, I'm tight. And yes, I'm not broke, but nigga, I ain't got disposable income like that. To where, like, I just felt like throwing damn near $300 out the window. Because essentially, I was better off giving it to a crackhead. Like, fuck. This is like, fuck. Because niggas is on Twitter killing niggas. Because I'm Google, like, I'm searching Twitter. I'm not tweeting. I'm searching Twitter like, is niggas really still wearing... It was a few people was like, I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't believe in that shit. I'm wearing these bitches. I paid for them. That's like a general consensus. And then there's other people like, y'all too broke to where you can't just wear them. Or y'all too broke to where that money gonna hurt you. And then like, there's other niggas, of course, like, if I see you with them on, I'm gonna think you believe in that shit and you support it. Nigga, no. What the fuck? That's not it. It's just I paid for these bitches. And I don't got money like that. But like, I really don't want to wear these hoes now. Like, I got them and I don't even want them no more. But I'm not finna burn them. Y'all niggas is crazy. Like, what? Why the fuck, when some shit happened, like that Kanye shit happened, niggas was burning the fuck out their Yeezys. You dumb as shit. They already got the money off you. Once you buy them, it's it. You're not hurting them. You're hurting yourself. Flip them hoes. Y'all niggas is so fucking stupid burning y'all shit. You're not hurting anybody but yourself. The company just like, okay, we just got free money from a dumbass. Like, the fuck? Like, they've already made the sale. You're not hurting nobody but you. You hurting your pocket. So why y'all fucking burning them? I can't really tell you what to do with your shit, but just in my eyes, that shit is so dumb. Why the fuck is you burning this shit? Sell them bitches to somebody that don't give a fuck. And make your money back if you really don't want to hold on to some shit like some Yeezys or fucking these shits. Like, I'm trying hard not to even say the name throughout this whole thing. But like, nigga, what the fuck? Y'all is dumb. Like, that shit is so stupid to me. You're hurting yourself. Now, if you got money like that to throw away, cool. Burn them by all fucking means. But to me, that shit's stupid. If you like money like I do, I said like, not love. You like money like I do, I'm flipping them. If I really got the problem with like, I don't want these no more, fuck that nigga. Like, y'all niggas is tangent. But needless to say, this is my third pair of this brand. Second pair in this exact model. I did that really good because I still haven't said the name. Second pair in this model. And I'm like, fuck, dog. I ain't wore 2 of the pairs yet. I had a clean ass fit, man, for the triple S's out of, boy. I was finna put that shit on. Put that shit on. Put that shit on. Put that shit on. Boy, I was finna shit on niggas. Nah, I can't. Fuck. So could y'all please, just for my sake, thumbs up the damn video, cause I'm going through hell over here, cause I done just wasted my fucking money. And I can't get a fucking refund cause ain't nothing wrong with the fucking shoe. I know the nigga that I paid is just like, that nigga stupid. He ain't gonna never be able to wear these hoes. So that being said, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. In the comment section, what would it take for you to start rocking with these niggas again? Like, would everybody have to get fired and a whole new staff come in? Like, what would it take? Like, y'all just done with the brand altogether? Like, let me know. Let me know. Because we get mad about shit, but don't never fix shit. They issue out an apology, and like months later, when somebody else fuck up, we going right back to the shit. Example, Gucci. So that being said, leave in the comment section below your thoughts and opinions. If you start roasting me too bad, because like I said, I didn't fucking know. I bought these before the shit happened. I didn't fucking know. So if you roast me too bad, I'm banning you. I don't give a fuck. It is what it is. I'm banning niggas. Like, I didn't fucking know. You ain't finna come for my neck. So, that being said, man, I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I don't know what the fuck I'm gonna do. And like I always say, y'all be easy. I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace. The fuck y'all go ahead and do that bullshit for? Damn.